Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I would like to extend cordial greetings and warm welcome to all the distinguished guests and participants. Journalism has crucial role to transform the society, and it informs and educates the people in different aspects, and it can act as an watchdogs for the formulation of public policy and highlighting the blocks to development such as corruption, human rights abuses, and inefficient of the governance. Therefore, journalism, journalists, and media are acting as bridge between government and society. Media are most important means of communication during this pandemic situation, as they inform and aware the people. Media has the power to calm the people as well as chouse the people for positive and negative actions. The pattern of journalism has also been changed during these days. Previously, we were depending only on print media, radio and television, but at this digital age, we cannot run away from advanced and smarter technologies. Digital journalism, which is very convenient and bring changes to people's behavior in new world of post-COVID-19 too. Also, the artificial intelligence is becoming an important tool to journalists' future. It is very easy for journalists to fact checking before they publish their news, views, or interviews. The web browser makes easy access for journalists to get and give information ethically and correctly. The content of the news itself should be appealing and maintaining the professionalism to the eye of the viewers and readers. But in the developing countries, still there is lack of professionalism. Few corporate media houses and journalists are being used in different missions. On the other hand, digital media are losing their reliability because of publishing the fake news. Although I am not a journalist, but also has been a victim of yellow journalism. I think the growing digitization of journalism, which brings unprecedented benefits as well as safety risk and credibility. Digital security threats like spoofing, malware, and cyber spying have grown and evolved in recent years. Journalists and media houses are the source of information and data. Therefore, the protection of data in this digital era, journalism is more challenging job. Only the high level of ethics and efforts can save this all. Additionally, journalists are also facing number of challenges and exploitation from owner in South Asian countries. I heard that so many journalists are still working on low pay, and top media houses also do not pay salary timely and forced to leave the job. It is going to worse during this pandemic. Hence, I strongly argue to provide the facilities for the journalists. I firmly believe that we shall enable to resolve the problems arising in journalism with combined effort of all concerns. Thank you so much, all of you, and I wish for the grand success of this program. Thank you.